How's it going, everybody? Bryce Green here with Hookit Blocks, and it is time to introduce you guys to one of our favorite kits, and this is the mini detail kit. So I want to show you guys a little bit about this kit and the blocks in it and where you could potentially use these. So if you've sanded before, you know, a firewall, a door jamb, you know, inside body panels, any of that, you've probably cussed yourself out a little bit and wish that you would have gotten yourself the mini detail kit. So the mini detail kit comes with these 5 blocks, okay? You know, we've got you can see the rectangle here. We've got one that's a rectangle but with a radius on the end of it. Same thing here, this has got a radius plus a triangle. And then we have one that is a circle here with a sphere handle. And then this one, a triangle, but each one of the radiuses on this triangle is different, so you can use this in a lot of different areas and different facets. So, you know, as you're sitting there sanding a firewall that's got bead rolls on it or anything like that, this kit is going to come into play. You know, if you're sanding anything with an inside edge into a corner, this kit is going to be awesome for it. So head over to bkblocks.com, get you guys the mini detail kit. You're going to love this kit, and you will use it more than any other block probably. Thanks, guys, and let us know if you have any questions.